Okay, now we proceed with question 4. Replace the two couples acting on the pipes column in figure by resultant couple moment. So this question, this one, the resultant couple moment. Here, how many moment we have? We have one moment here, and then another moment is here. Okay, so M1 and M2. Okay, for M1 equal F dot D, and the force is 150 times the distance is 0.4. Okay, you will get the answer is 60. Okay, 60 Newton is the magnitude. So for the direction, need to see here. So here you see that the F at A is toward bottom and F at B toward up. So when you connect both, it is counterclockwise. So it is positive. Okay, this is positive. And this is 3D couples moment. So you need to know this positive at which axis. So this one, what is the axis of this? This is x-axis. So 60 Newton meter, positive 60 Newton meter in I direction. Okay, for M2. So M2 we have diagonal forces. So these diagonal forces we can expand into this one if FDZ, FDY, and X. This one is FCY and FCZ. Okay, you will have like this. This is F D, and we have F D Z here, F D Y, and another is X C, okay, and X C, and this is F C, F C Y, and F C Z. And it's given, okay, here it's given the value is 3, 4, and 5. So this is 53.1 degree. So 53.1 is here. It's same here. So F Z equal to 125 cos theta. Theta is 53.1. So you will have 75 and Fy is 125 sine 53.5. So you will have 100 meter. Okay, this is Fz and Fy because the value is same, so I just write Fz and Fy. Okay, so okay, here. Okay, and how to get the moment? You need to okay, I write Fz first. Okay, Fz. Okay, Fz is here. Assume you see from this angle, so you will have Z and Z axis and X axis. So you will have you will get FDZ and another one is FCZ. Okay, so the D here equals 0.3. So F moment Z equal Fz dot D. So Fz is 75 but times the D is 0.3. We have 22.5. Okay, and here when you okay, this is FDZ and this is FCZ, and when you connect both, okay, you will have this is counterclockwise, so the magnitude is positive. Okay, and what is the axis here? Okay, axis here is y, so mz, the axis is J. Okay, so for my, okay, for my, you need to see from here. So you see from the top, so you will see y x axis, and then you have f dy, and another is fcy. Okay, the distance between this is 0.3 also. So my equal to fy dot d. Fy is 100, d is 0.3. So you will have 30. Okay, this is the magnitude, and to direction, and the direction, you connect both the F dy and fcy, so you will get counterclockwise. So this is positive, and the axis, okay, this is counterclockwise, and the axis is toward up. So the axis is K. Okay, so for the resultant, you need to total all. So M R equal M1 plus MZ plus MY. So you will have 60I plus 22.5 G plus 30 K Newton meter. Okay, this is the answer for question 4. Thank you.